we have given a memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister requesting him to extend the connection of railway from Mendipata to Baghmara. Is via Nangalbibra or via Tura, Tura, Tikrikilla, Karupada, Dalu to Baghmara. It's up to the government proposal. So why we need in the look, if we look back at the pre-independence, right? In the pre-independence, so the India and East Pakistan was well connected in literally not through rain, right? So look, we were flourishing in business before, but after the partition happened with India and Bangladesh or with Pakistan, so we cannot do business anymore. We have many natural resources, many agricultural products that we cannot sell our product. So look, if you talk about if the situation arises in Bangladesh, our main market, especially for Megalayans, would have been Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is a normal back, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast and for the Megalands. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very important. The population are growing, and unemployment is growing very huge. And tomorrow we're gonna face the employment crisis. Okay? It is not the question of India or Meghalaya. It's a global challenge for every nation. So we should have open more opportunity. It is not yet as of now, but as and when the government has forwarded our application to the ministry, I think all things will happen very soon. If as and when our request and from our government has reached to the ministry, right?
But the state government has not forwarded.
I have not inquired, but definitely our honorable chief minister is also looks interest for our demand because it is it will definitely will tomorrow it will for the benefit of people, it will benefit our people.
Because there are some news that some sort of study is being done regarding this railway connectivity in Baghmara. How far that is true?
It may be because look, if you look at honorable chief minister our dynamic honorable chief minister Conrad Sangma proposal for the honorable prime minister of India, he wants to have proposed already to connect Hilly and Mahadagans highway. That means from West Bengal to Meghalaya via Mahadagans. If it has happened, this highway will connect, will goes to Silhat or to what you call Silchar via from Mahadagans, from Hilly, West Bengal to Mahadagans. It will connect to Nalu via Baghmara, Rongaram, Mahadeo, Ranikor, Moskola, like this. It will go to Silchar, but also where we have the army base. For the security reason, and we know like the what we call the longest bridge in what you call in Fulbury. All this happen. We will have another highway road that will connect from Managans to the Silchar one day. With all this connection, not only the highway, even in the railway system, may connect have to do for the strategic point of view, for the security, for the national security point of view, because it's a border. Because unless no, uh, what you call if you build a wall, if you build a fencing, it will not solve to be the illegal immigrants for any other reason, but for the security purpose, for all the purpose, the borders inhabitants should be bring them up to the better standard in the livelihood or in the education or infrastructure. Then the country will be in a different position. So for that purpose, I think so.